Being an English teacher of Gulistan Shah Abdul Latif Boys Secondary School, I am Miss Razia Babar Dar. I'll teach you English for ninth and metric classes. I'll teach you language and literature as well. It will be according to new course of studies as we are given instructions. The marks of this subject English has been changed to 100. Now it will be according to instructed by the Board of Secondary Education. Our first poem of our metric class is Voice of God. Now introduction to the poet. This poem is written by Louis I. Newman. He was born in 1893 in Providence, Rhode Island. He studied at Brown University and after his doctorate lectured at Columbia. He is the author of many books. He had written many books on religious subject. This poem bring out his religious bent of mind, means it explained that the poet was in a religious mood. So in that way, in that mood, he had written this poem, The Voice of God. Now come to the poem. I sought to hear the voice of God. I sought means to search, to find out. किसी चीज़ की तलाश में रहना. Over here, the poet want to listen the God voice. अल्लाह ताला की आवाज़ सुनना चाहते थे. In the next line, and climb the topmost steeple. In order to hear the God voice, अल्लाह ताला की आवाज़ को सुनने के लिए he climbed the topmost steeple. वो बुलंद तरीन इमारत की ऊंचाई पर चढ़ गए. But God declared, लेकिन अल्लाह ताला ने ऐलान किया. But God announced, go down again. कि आप वापस जाइए. Means God didn't want you to come to the sky, to come to the highest place of the building. In the next line, the poet had explained, I dwell among the people. Over here, the poet got the answer of Almighty Allah. Dwell means to live. Over here, the poet got the idea that God is with us. God didn't live in the sky. God is among us. He is everywhere in this world. He is watching our all acts and action which we are doing right now and which we are considering it is right for us, so we are right. No, we have to be very very careful for our all acts, because all of our actions may be rewarded in the eternity, in the heaven. Now come to the explanation of this poem. In this poem, the poet Louis I. Newman says that once he wanted to hear the voice of God. So he climbed the topmost steeple of a church. But God declared that He lives among the people and ordered the poet to go down again. In this poem, the poet wants to say that God is present, is pleased with those who love and serve the creature of God. Moreover, I want to express that our all acts and actions which we are doing in this world had been calculated by Almighty Allah, and it may be rewarded in this world as well, and it may be rewarded in the eternity as well. So, God is everywhere, watching our all acts, our all moves which we are doing, our all good deeds, our all bad deeds which we are doing for others. We are not considering them. So we have to be very, very careful for all our acts and actions which we are doing in this world. Now, come to the central idea. Over here, student, central idea means the main extract of the poem, the main message of this poem. As you all know, it is expressed that it is a very short poem, and it is a religious poem, as the poet was very religious. So he want to express that we cannot get the nearness and kindness of God. We can't be near to God, or we can't get this opportunity to become near to our Almighty Allah, but by climbing the steeple. No, it is not our all acts that by climbing the topmost steeple of a building or a church we can find our God. No, no way. We have to find God in this world. God is living with us. He is solving our all issue. He is listening our all needs. He is solving our all problems. But at the right time, we are getting it. We are not getting the idea that God is with us, but we are considering ourselves that we can do everything in this world. No way. God is present everywhere, watching our all moves, our all actions. So, we can get the nearness of God by doing good deeds in this world. So, kindness, love, affection, and our all acts of kindness will be rewarded in this world, and we will be appreciated by our elders as well, and in the end it may be rewarded in the eternity. So, students, in the end of the chapter, I want to express that we are having exercises at page number 1 of your book. Why did the author climb the steeple? The answer is the poet want to climb the steeple in order to hear the voice of God. The second question is, why did God tell him to go down again? Because God is living among us. So in that way, God tell him to go down again. I dwell among the people. The last question, say in your own words, what do you think is the message of this poem? The main message of this poem is Almighty Allah is everywhere. So, He dwell among the people. The main message of this poem is He dwell among us. Thank you so much.